Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad that you're watching. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 legit ways you can make money online. So the number one way you can make money online is by writing and publishing your ebooks online. So right now there's lots of different ways whereby you can self-publish your ebook and you don't have to rely on a physical or a brick and mortar publishing house. And the beauty with the ebooks is that your ebook doesn't have to be like 1,000 pages. You can actually write an ebook for a very short ebook for even just like 20 pages and actually make money online with self-publishing platforms like Amazon, Lulu and the like. Anyone with valuable information to share can make money online by selling ebooks. So how do you get started? If there's anything that you know better or more than the average Jane or Joe on the street, you can actually make money sharing this knowledge online. Just compile it into an ebook, develop your ebook, publish it on any of the platforms, and you can start making money online. The number 2 legit way you can make money online is by selling your photos online. So while you're up and about exploring places here and there, you're likely to encounter experiences that could be of interest both locally and internationally. Let's say that you're a Kenyan visiting Rio during the carnival and you get an opportunity to capture the elaborate parades, plenty of skin, and the dancers' spectacular costumes. Instead of using your pictures just to gain Instagram likes, you could sell them to your local daily or even on stock photography websites such as Forbes, Shutterstock, iStop, Adobe Stock, etc. Okay? The number 3 legit way to make money online is to start a blog and potentially make millions. If you'd like to make money online by starting a blog, of course the first place for you to start is to get a platform to host your blog. My personal recommendation is to use bluehost.com because number 1, they're very reliable. My own websites are all hosted on bluehost.com and they are affordable. If you'd like to make money online by starting a blog, the next set of information you will need is information on how to start a blog. So I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom showing you how to start your blog and to have it up and running in less than 10 minutes. While starting a blog is a great way to make money, if you don't do it strategically, it's gonna take you a while, sometimes up to years, to make your first coin. Hence why I propose the Pareto principle, otherwise also known as the 80-20 rule to starting your blog. The 80-20 rule is an essential concept to master if you want to make money online by starting your own blog. The key here will be to select and focus all your efforts on the 20% blogging input, that is effort, time and resources, that results in 80% of your blogging output, that is revenue, and not get bogged down with the remaining 80% of the effort that only brings in 20% of the output. For instance, if you choose to monetize your blog using affiliate marketing, 80% of your content should be geared towards business-to-business customers because they have higher marketing budgets, and it also enables you to market higher ticket items are usually geared towards this kind of audience. This tactic also applies when you're choosing the niche for your blog. If you want to use your blog as a money-making tool, then your audience must be large enough and have potential to spend money on the products that you would like to promote on your blog. Obviously, therefore, to start making money blogging, first step will be to get web hosting. My personal recommendation is that you use bluehost.com. To get started, visit bluehost.com using the link that I have left at the bottom in the description box, and with it you're going to get a 63% discount, meaning you're going to be able to host your blog on Bluehost at $2.95 a month. The number 4 legit way to make money online is to create online courses to show others how you did it. Have you mastered the art of traveling, cooking, baking, sewing, making money on YouTube, or any other skill? You can actually make money online by creating an online course and showing other people how you made it. Share your journey with others and get paid for it. By creating and sharing knowledge that you have through an online course, you will be able to reach many more potential customers and make much more money online. You could create a single course or a series of courses or just multiple different courses. Online platforms and membership websites through which you could be able to create your online course include Skillshare, Teachable.com, Thinkific, SubHub, among many other websites. Microsoft Teams. You can also offer your online courses through platforms such as Zoom, Facebook Live, Facebook groups, Microsoft Teams, and so many other platforms. Number 5 legit way to make money online is by using your voice. Through international voice-over acting marketplaces such as voices.com, you can make money online using your vocal talent, whether you're a professional or an amateur. Some other professional resources you can make to get voiceover gigs apart from voices.com include Voice Bunny, The Voice Realm, Voice 123, Bodalgo, and many others. And the kind of gigs that you can do using your voice include singing, teaching other people how to sing, voiceover acting on commercials, voiceover acting on documentaries, reading audiobooks. The options are endless. Again, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for all these different platforms which you can be able to use to host your voiceover acting gig. Number 6 legit way to make money online is using your language skills. Do you speak multiple languages? If your answer is yes, well, apart from the pride of being able to speak multiple languages, you can make money online with your language skills. And there's different services that you can offer. One great way of making money online using your language skills is by offering translation services. And the amount of money you're going to get paid for offering translation services varies on so many factors, such as languages combination. So for example, do you translate from English to French or French to English? There are also other factors such as your specialization. Are you just a general translator? Are you a medical translator? Are you a business translator? And many others. Also depends on the type of clients you get. So are you translating directly, for example, for the UN, or are you hired by an agency that is translating for the UN? Then there's also the issue of your negotiation skills. In general, demand and supply for your language combination, both the source language and the target language, as well as the nature of assignment, whether it's technical or general translation, will affect how much you earn as a freelance translator. The more translators there are for your language combination, therefore, the less you can charge per word. The scarcer your language combination is, the more you're typically able to earn. So that's pretty much how it plays. And the more specialized a task is, e.g., is it a legal translation? Is it a medical translation? Finance, industrial, etc.? The higher earnings you can fetch. What you earn as a translator will also be determined by the kind of client that you work for. Is it a translation agency who has outsourced the work to you, or are you working for the end client themselves? Of course, the latter pays more. And you can get paid to translate all sorts of things, from e-commerce product descriptions to travel listings and guides, online articles, government documents, marketing copy ads, social media, websites and apps. Like, the options are endless. Thousands of projects available on various platforms. You can find any kind of work that interests you. Some trusted websites to make money online as a translator include Upwork.com, 1 Hour Translation, Gengo, Freelancer, Fiverr, and many others. Apart from translation services, you can also make money online with your multiple language skills by creating language videos on YouTube. And there are several ways to make money online with your YouTube videos. Whichever way you decide to go, the first step will to make the videos, then monetize them. Making money by creating language videos on YouTube, patience and consistency is key. As you consistently upload valuable content, quality videos that solve a pain point for your audience, will start seeing your subscriber base go up and your watch time also increase. Number 7 legit way to make money online is by getting paid to test websites and apps. As a website tester, your job will be to review and give your opinion on whether a website is friendly, easy to navigate, well designed, and overall gives users a great experience, and get paid doing so. To make money online as a website tester, you will need to have high-speed internet connection and some basic equipment like a computer or a laptop, and in some cases a smartphone is sufficient. You'll also need to have an up-to-date web browser such as Google Chrome. Most tests take between 5 minutes to 30 minutes to complete, and through sites such as usertesting.com, you can potentially earn up to $60 per user test. A great place to look for website user test jobs is through platforms and websites to pay you to test websites. Most of these websites will require you to take a sample test which you must pass for receiving any website tester jobs. Again, I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom for 18 different companies that are currently hiring web testers from all over the world. Well, that's it for today in terms of 7 legit ways to make money online. With all these different legit ways to make money online, all you need at a bare minimum, reliable internet connection and a smartphone or computer, and you'll be on your way to making money online. Let me know what you think about this video. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, remember to hit the subscription button below. And also remember to hit the notification bell so that every time I shoot a new video, you will be the first one to know. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you in the next video. Bye-bye.